So how to use AI to create insane looking UGC ads like these ones. And yeah, I will show you how you can do this yourself from scratch using the best tools. And I will show you this feature which is called Flows on Max Fusion AI, and it will let you create these insane workflows really easy. So the first thing we will do, we will create a ultra realistic image like this one. As you can see, this looks like a still from an iPhone video, and that's what you need. You will need something ultra realistic. So the first thing we will do, we will go to Pinterest, and for example, you write UGC ad, and then you will see thousands, millions of creators already, basically many images that you can just copy and paste, and I will show you how you can do it. So for example, you find something you like, so I will just click on this, and as she talks, I will just make a screenshot. And next thing, we will go to ChatGPT. Now you can create images right here on the spot without basically complicating anything. But if you want to create multiple images and batch them, for example, you want to make like 20, 50 images, I would recommend you to go to ChatGPT. So the first thing you will do, you will create a new chat, upload the image that you just screenshotted. So here it is. And we will ask ChatGPT to create a detailed JSON prompt of this person describing her facial features and look, and accept the background and surroundings. And right now, as you can see, we will have a great JSON prompt. Why JSON prompt? That's because it is much more detailed and it will give much better results. Make a UGC style image. And here you can see it will actually upload the JSON prompt, and let's create the image. And here is the result. As you can see, looks ultra realistic, but still, if we put this in the video, it might look like an AI. So what we will do, really easy, I will just write this prompt, make it more like filmed with a phone. Also, she should be further away and the quality should be a bit worse, like in reality filmed with a phone. And make 10 variations. Let's add one by one. So many people don't know this, but you can actually make 10 images at once on ChatGPT right now, which is crazy. And yeah, let's actually put this 9 by 16. And here you can see after few minutes, we have 10 variations, and these look so much better, as you can see. And you can choose which you like the most, which looks the most realistic, and we will just choose one. So let's download it. And here it is. And the next thing we will do, we will upload the image that we liked. And we will write this prompt. Okay, now create the same style, but 10 different women with different clothing and different room. 10 images one by one. And let's say, change the product in each image as well. Now we have 10 different women, 10 different locations. For some reason, AI kept this, but if you want to remove this, you can just write, keep everything the same and remove the thing on the head and recreate all 10 images one by one again, and it will do it. But here you can see we have different ethnicities, but it looks ultra realistic, like taken with an iPhone, like a selfie. And for example, I will just choose this one, download the image, and now we will go to Max Fusion to create the actual video. So the first thing you will do, you will upload the image that you just created. So upload media, the image is here. And now as the image is uploading, we will create an assistant. Now why we are doing this? Because it uses Claude Sonnet, the best AI in the world right now. And you can create prompts of ultra realistic, basically scenes, the scripts for Seedance or Clean 3.0. And we will connect this image to the assistant. So the prompt basically includes the reference image as well. And write a prompt like this, create a UGC ad, but add some funny elements in shots while she is explaining the product and how great it is. Create a prompt for Seedance 2.0. Video 15 seconds long, many cuts, strong hook, and make the scene so the people will keep watching and keep attention. Now, most people that are creating UGC ads don't know how to write prompts, because we need a great hook. We need many cuts, so it is really hard to tell if this is AI or not, and make the scene so people will keep watching. and create something funny because people like to be entertained. And let's just press run. So the Claude Sonnet will basically create an insane prompt for the specific video. And here we will just create a video generator. We will choose Seedance 2.0, references 15 seconds long because our prompt is for 15 seconds. 720, it is all right. And 9:16, the same. And now the prompt is ready. You can basically read your prompt, but I know it will be great. So I will not read it. And the next thing you will do, you will connect this image to the video generator and output of this prompt to this prompt right here. So now the video generator will understand that we will need this image as a reference, and this will be the specific prompt. And really easy, you will just press generate, and now Seedance will create an insane video. And right here, the ad is ready.
Do you see this? Mator, George says how to go low. Gentle, hydrating, no stripping. Okay.
So as you can see, it looks insane. It looks like a handheld camera. Also, the facial features look ultra realistic. And as you can see, many cuts, zoom ins, and even this, after she applies the lotion or something, the skin gets shiny.
George says how to go low.
Because as you can see,
hydrating, no stripping.
right now it is shiny, but as she started, it wasn't shiny right here. It is like not applied, but this looks really, really great, and I can guarantee you, 80 to 90% of people will not recognize that this is AI, and everything was done with ChatGPT Image 2 and Max Fusion. Also, you can use Nano Banana Pro, but again, on ChatGPT you can create 10 images at once, and right here you can create these basically workflows called flows, and you don't have to switch between different apps. You can just use one app, upload everything you have, close it, and it will be saved right here. You don't have to remember what images you used, what prompts you used. Everything will be here, and you can just keep creating. You can even create different variations. For example, create a different image of a different bottle. Use the same prompt. It will create a new video which will look unique, not the same, but the person will be the same and the product will be different. By the way, one of the best features for Max Fusion AI is that you can download any video from TikTok. For example, someone has a viral UGC style ad on TikTok. You just download the video, put it right here in the copy lab, and it will extract all the frames, and it will extract the whole basically subtitles, the captions, basically what is said in the video, and you will be able to recreate the AI version one by one, the same scenes, the same script. You can change anything, you can change the person, but you can basically recreate viral UGC ads or any ad for that matter using Max Fusion AI. That's why this is the best tool I'm using for creating ads specifically, but you can do much more. You can, for example, create, I will show you, for example, claymation art. So again, you write a prompt, then it creates an image, and based on the image and the prompt, you will create the video, as you can see here. And again, you can use these claymation art style in different ads. And for example, right here, I'm using Link 3.0. It is much cheaper, but for scenes that are not human-like or not like ultra-realistic, you can use Link 3.0, which is also much cheaper, and it works really, really well. By the way, these are all the models that you can access on Max Fusion. You can create different videos. You don't have to create ads. You can just use the image models, the video models. They have their own Reese video model, which is insane for UGC ads as well. And there are different tools like merge videos, remove background, upscale video to 2K, extend video. And yeah, I hope you enjoy this workflow because many people still don't understand how to use these tools, how to prompt, how to make videos, how to create these insane workflows in Max Fusion AI and create an actual insane UGC ad. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.